Look, 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 look. Here, sit down, look. I'm here, sweetie, I'm here. It moves. It's a car. That's why it moves. She pooped too. She pooped in her pants. It was going so fast. Alright, Daddy's gonna try to get in. See what happens.
No, Paul, you will not break this car. No, Paulo, I said no. Paulo, you will break it. You're double the weight limit. No, I'm also double the weight limit.
Yes, yes. Okay, ready? Close it. Yeah. Okay, ready? Here we go. Here we go.
Good job, Diana.
Good job. You understand now? It moves like a car.
Just like, get me the hell out.
I think it goes backwards too.
It does, but let's not do that. You're gonna scare her even more. Don't do it. Don't do it.